Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a first move pirouette. Obviously you need to know how to do a first move already. If you've missed that somewhere, a link in the description will take you to a clip which shows you how to do that move. And the move looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2. Now you could walk for longer, you could do lots and lots of variations off this, but the key point is that we're getting close, we bring the lady's weight up and effectively ask her to stay in one place, and at that point it's the guy's job to walk in a circle around the lady and not pull her off balance. Surprisingly more difficult than it might sound. So the first thing we need to do is connect to our partner so that we can get the lift. 1 and 2, just like a first move with one small change. In a normal first move, I would expect to be right the way round onto the back with the hand. That becomes quite difficult in this move, so actually I'm going to change and bring my hand in under the shoulder with just the fingers curled around so I can get a stronger connection from the position I'm going to be in. Ladies, of course, this hand's going to be very important, and this arm also going to be working quite hard. So once we've got to this position, guys, what we're going to do is we're going to hold the lady in place so we've got no momentum carrying us anywhere, and we're going to lift straight up. And ladies, at that point you have choices. You're going to choose which foot you carry your weight on. You're going to do something with your spare leg, so you could just tuck at the ankle. Ideally you want to be taking the heel off the floor, and you could start thinking about, what am I going to do with that leg line? You could have it out, you could bring it out to the side, you can bring it up forwards. All of these things are going to work. Okay, so we're in position, we've got strong connection, we lift, and the key point there for the ladies is the body goes up, but you're trying to take the hands and the shoulders down in comparison, so that as you get lifted you don't collapse upwards, you try and push down to bring the body up. So let's try that one more time. 3, 2, 1. We lift the lady comes up, but the connection points are pushed hard down. From here, fellas, what we're going to do, keep an eye on the lady and try and walk round the lady in a circle so that she stays on the spot. Going step cross is a good way of doing that. When you're ready, you take the weight to the side, so I'm actually going to take a step to my right and bring Karen with me. She comes off the point, she takes a step, we're into the twist out, and we can finish a first move off as normal, or with just a slide away like a 5-beat first. All of that's going to be good. So timing, you can improvise, use the music, but today we're going to walk round, and I think it's going to take us 3 counts. So we'll go back 1, in 2, lift 3, walking 4, 5, 6, stepping out 7, twisting 8, and I'm just going to slide away 1 and face 2. Let's try it. I'll come around to the other side so you get a different view. Here we go. 5, a 6, a first move pirouette. You go a back, in, lift, walk, 2, 3, side, twist, away and look. That's it. Thank you very much for watching World of Floorcraft. I'll pop a music recommendation on the end for something to practice to, and as always, please like, subscribe and hit the bell, because that helps us promote the channel, and it also means you'll know every time a new video comes out. We'll see you next time. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.